8 benefits of holy basil. Tulsi. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi, is more than just a pretty plant. It's been treasured for centuries in traditional practices for how it helps the body feel balanced and refreshed. Whether you enjoy it in tea, powder, or as a supplement, holy basil fits naturally into your daily routine. Many people turn to it for its calming, cleansing, and energizing qualities. Let's look at 8 reasons why this sacred herb has earned its name as the Queen of Herbs. Number 1. Helps you handle daily stress. Holy basil is known for helping the body stay steady during busy or stressful times. It's considered an adaptogen, which means it works gently with your system to support balance. Many people say Tulsi helps them feel calmer, think more clearly, and bounce back faster after long days. A warm cup of Tulsi tea can be a simple way to reset your mood and recharge your energy. Number 2. Supports natural defenses. Your body already does a great job protecting itself, and holy basil is a great way to support that process. Rich in plant compounds and essential oils, Tulsi is often used to help you stay strong during changing seasons. It's a popular go-to for people who want to feel more resilient and ready for whatever the day brings. Number 3. Encourages easy breathing. Tulsi is often used to support clear breathing and comfort when you're feeling stuffed up. Many people enjoy Tulsi tea or steam for its soothing effect on the nose and chest. It's a traditional favorite for those with seasonal sensitivities thanks to its gentle, natural properties that help you breathe a little easier. Number 4. Keeps energy levels steady. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, Tulsi may help you feel more naturally refreshed. People who use holy basil often say it helps avoid afternoon crashes and keeps their energy more even throughout the day. It's not a buzz, it's a steady, focused feeling that helps you stay motivated without the jitters. Number 5. Gentle on the gut. Holy basil may help your digestive system feel more comfortable. It's often used after meals to ease bloating or support regularity. If you've had a big meal or feel a little off, sipping Tulsi tea may help your body settle naturally. It's one of those herbs that fits right in with how your body already works. Number 6. Promotes a clear mind. Need to focus or feel more present? Tulsi is often used to support clear thinking and attention. It works well for people who want to stay calm but alert, like during studying, work, or long to-do lists. It's no wonder holy basil is sometimes called a mind herb in wellness circles. Number 7. Soothes skin from within. Holy basil is also known for its soothing properties, which may reflect in your skin. People who drink Tulsi tea regularly or use Tulsi-based skincare often say they notice a natural glow. Its gentle balancing properties may support your skin's appearance from the inside out. Number 8. Tastes amazing in tea. Last but not least, holy basil just tastes good. Its flavor is a mix of sweet, spicy, and earthy. You can enjoy it as a solo herbal tea or mix it with ginger, mint, or lemon. Whether hot or iced, Tulsi tea is a flavorful, caffeine-free drink that fits easily into your day. If you found these benefits of holy basil helpful, be sure to like this video. It supports the channel and helps more people discover the power of natural herbs. Do you use Tulsi in your daily routine? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear how it's helped you. And if you want to learn even more about this incredible herb, check out this video. 6 basil benefits you should know. And remember, life is better when you garden.